Hi friends, welcome to class 5 of English grammar. Today we're going to be studying singular and plural nouns. First, I hope you know what a noun is because we already made a video on nouns. So please check it out if you didn't. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about nouns. Nouns are people, animals, places, or things. Okay. A singular noun names only one person, one animal, one place, or one thing. A plural noun names more than one person, more than one animal, more than one place, or more than one thing. If you still didn't understand, that's alright, because we're taking more examples. So, the teacher talks loudly. Who talks loudly? The teacher. How many teachers? One. The two teachers talk to their students. Who talks to their students? The teachers. How many teachers? Two. So it's a plural noun. This playground looks big. What looks big? The playground. How many playgrounds? One. All playgrounds are fun. What are fun? All the playgrounds. How many playgrounds? All. So it's a plural. Work with a partner. Read the sentences aloud. Name the singular nouns and the plural nouns. Number 1. Two crickets sat in a cage. Two crickets. It's two, more than one, plural. A cage. It's just one, so it's singular. My friend has 3 cats. My friend is one, so it's a singular, and 3 cats is more than one, so plural. Her bird ate some seeds. Bird is just one bird, so it's singular. And then seeds, it says some seeds, so it's plural. Our teacher loves pets. Our teacher is one, so it's singular. And pets is plural, since it's more than one. Write the sentences. Use plural nouns. 2 rabbits run in a race. That makes sense. The turtles join in. That makes sense. Many students laugh. The pets run as fast as they can. Change the underlined noun into a plural noun. Write the new sentence. The bird flew in the window. Birds. The frog jumped around the room. Frogs. The snake hissed loudly. Snakes. The student walked outside. Students. Write the correct noun in each sentence. Reread each sentence to make sure that the noun makes sense. The fox den is next to a bush. A means only one, so it's bush. Okay, Mama Fox wears her glasses. We can only wear our glasses, not glass. How? She makes 3 lunches. 3 more than 1, so it's lunches. Papa Fox eats 1 sandwich. It's only 1, so it's singular. Baby Fox eats 2 peaches. 2 more than 1. 2 more than 1, so it's children. Take a walk. I soaked both my feet. Okay, it says both. That means we have only 2 feet. 1 goose is in the pond. It says 1. Many men stand near the hole. One man and many men. Okay. Two mice ran into the hole. I hope you learned what singular and plural nouns are. See you in class 6. I hope you like this video. If yes, then please hit the like button. If you love it, then please hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed yet. If your friends are learning English, then please share my channel with them. See you in the next class. Bye!